Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some shrimp scampi pasta. So go ahead and cook your linguine or whatever pasta you like to use. Go ahead and cook it as per in the instructions. Right now I'll be adding some olive oil, and I'll be sauteing some garlic, and you can see I added more butter to it as well. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and add your shrimp. You're going to cook your shrimp until it turns pink on both sides. It shouldn't take long at all. And just keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. And please go ahead and like the video, comment and subscribe for more videos as well. And right now I'm seasoning the shrimp with salt and pepper. Once that's done, go ahead and add the zest of a lemon and the juice of one lemon. Now I'm going to add some butter, and then go ahead and let that melt. Once that's melting, add some Parmesan cheese. Now you can add as much cheese as you wish. So this is pretty much done. You just go ahead and add some chopped parsley. And now I'm adding the linguine, and this is pretty much done. Pretty easy recipe. So go ahead and check that out on the blog, and again, comment and subscribe for more videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.